Hello everyone. Welcome back to Coding Test. And today we are going to see an interesting topic about DP-203 certification from Azure. I hope you remember this Azure certification roadmap. Clearly the data engineering certification has been split into two, the DP-200 and DP-201. So now Microsoft have merged these two exams and now they have come up with a new plan like a DP-203. So DP-203 certification is nothing but it's a combination of 200 and 201. So that exam is also called Data Engineer Associate Certification. So this is a high demanded job for 2022 and almost all MNCs are looking for the candidates which have experience in data engineering. So it's a must to have a certification from market leader like Microsoft. So in this video, I'm going to explain about the complete roadmap about DP-203 and what are the requirement prerequisites you need for DP-203 and what are the modules you cover and how much cost is this for certification and repeat all the details I'm going to share in this video. Okay. So, as I told, this DP-203 is a high demanded job for 2022. So it's a must skill which all IT folks require. So to complete this examination, you need at least 4,800 rupee, Indian rupee for completing this exam. You can go to the links which I have given in this link in this comment box so that you can go and subscribe for this exam. Okay, so if you're from United States, it's cost around 165 USD dollars. So I hope you understood this session. Then moving to the next slide. So this session is nothing but DP-203 and what are the prerequisite and what is the actual thing which is expected from the candidate that has been given over here. Then I'm going to bit detail about what are the contents you will be and what are the modules you come under DP-203 and what need to be done and what you will be learning in DP-203. That will be covered in this session. So the prerequisite for this examination is nothing but AZ 900. It's not mandatory that you must require, but AZ 900 certification is mostly what do you call it? If you have that certification, you will be understanding most of the concepts in AZ, this DP 203, and it will be much better and it will be easier when you compare if you don't have it AZ 900. So along with the AZ 900, you need some basic understanding about the basic data formats like CSV and JSON files, and the basic knowledge on the one database system along with the structured query language. So if you are into some ETL testing or data warehouse domain, or if you are a developer in a backend stuff, a backend engineer, then you need this certification for sure. So let's move on to the next chapter that is called the objectives covered in the this DP 203. So what are the main objectives covered? So this question papers has been split in this way. Okay, design and implement data storage. That is 40 to 45% of the questions will be coming from design and implement data storage, and design and develop data processing. 25 to 30% will be question from coming from this. Design and implement data security. 10 to 15%. Monitor and optimize data storage and data processing. So almost 10 to 15% will be coming from this section. So when you cover this data engineering associate certification, this contains these four sections. So most of all the topics will be coming under this area of this section. So I hope you understood this slide, right? So moving to the next one, learning path for DP-203. So as I said, the clearly I have given the what are the objectives. The same objective has been covered over here, and when you are going to learn all the things. So first, you will start over here. The first thing is design and implement data storage that you will be learning. Then design and development data processing. So that means that how you load the data from source to target and what are the manipulations you do between that, and design and implement data security. So how the data breaching and how the data accessibility, everything will be defined over here. And monitor and optimize data storage and data processing. So here you will be doing all these things. And finally, so this all this modules has been running on top of Azure. So it's almost everything in cloud. So there is no even though you are processing everything in the Azure in the cloud, so might be some data processing, writing query, might be that kind of stuff will be going on in your local system. Anyway, that is integrated with the cloud. So this is the roadmap of how you want to learn this data engineering associate. Okay, so these are the skill requests for certifications. So I hope you got it a better idea about this. Okay, so moving to the Next slide. So in this slide, I'm mainly pointing about what are the key knowledge that you are going to gain from this certification. So first knowledge is purpose of an Azure Data Lake Gen 2 storage account. That is the main key concept you will learn in this certification. Then you should have or you must have transit SQL command. So anyway, this is kind of a basic sessions. What do you call it? Basic SQL commands only, might be create a lead and creating a table and updating a table. This kind of stuffs you must know before coming to this chapter, because here we'll be going in a bit detail manner. Okay. Then so these are the knowledges we gain. Okay. How to work on a Azure Synapse, and how to build an ETL pipeline with the help of an Azure Data Factory, and how the data flows from source to target. This kind of things you'll be learning. And data stream data with the use of Azure Data Analytics and Scala programming language and Spark. Okay, and how to work with Spark and Scala in Azure Databricks, and different security measures and the monitoring. So these are the key knowledge which you are going to gain once after you completing the certification. So why I am here is like I'll give you how to clear this exam in a better way. So I will strongly prefer you to go through the documents which is available in the Microsoft, and go through some courses from Udemy, or whichever is possible. So a partial knowledge, and I can help you with the terms of this particular certification. And so whenever I explain something in my terms or my key tips documents, so which will be like helpful for you to clear the exam in the first shot. So I don't want to waste your money of 4,000 rupees. So if you are planning for a certification of DP-203, so please subscribe my channel. I'm going to release videos every week. So in that videos, I'll be almost some 20 or 30 videos I'll be releasing for this DP-203. So in this videos, I'll be mainly focusing on some 20 or 30 questions in each video. So once after you reviewing all the videos one by one, I'm sure that pretty sure that you will be clearing this DP-203 in the first shot itself. So I hope you understood what I am trying to convey over here till now. So if you have any doubts, just ping me in this comment box. I can respond back with my answer. So thank you again, guys. So I hope you got some better idea about how this DP-203 certification looks like, and what are the contents which comes under DP-203, and how much cost it covers, and how you're going to pass this. So put a plan, might be so 1 or 2 months might be the maximum time which you need to complete this 203 certification in a full-fledged manner. So if you have a better knowledge, then might be 1 month is fine to prepare in a proper way if you're spending 1 hour day. So I'll be releasing videos every week. So please tune to my channel, and please subscribe and like this video. So I'll be posting videos every Friday or Saturday or Sunday. In any of the 3 days, I'll be posting each video. So please subscribe and put ring the bell button as well, so that you'll be getting the notification when I post the video. So that's it, guys. So anyway, all the best. So happy learning. Thank you, guys.